Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with a Shirogorov Barker collaboration Russian Hokkaido here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. What do you guys think about this content? I don't know, I think this is pretty amazing because this is a Russian Hokkaido, that's your certificate of authenticity, and this is your knife. That's the Russian Hokkaido Barker Shirogorov collaboration titanium frame lock. 200 of these guys were made. Overall length of this one is 8.8 inches with a 3.75 inch long blade. In this case, this bad boy is sporting a very cool titanium micro milled frame lock, bronze anodized. These accent here are like fantastically matched with the pivot colors on both sides, on the backspacer I mean. 3D mill titanium, integrated lanyard hole, nicely done. I mean, just take a second for to check out how the centering backspacer is. How tight is this? It's crazy. It's just perfection, absolutely flush. No way you're gonna be able to snag the tip of the blade. Just beautifully done. And check out also this 3D mill titanium pocket clip hidden screws right there. How amazing is this? Custom division screws. And of course you have a non-spinning pivot right there. So very cool options. All the goodies from the custom division line are being brought into this one. Vanax 37 steel, single row roller bearings, pivot, 6 ounces in the pocket, so not like a light boy, but I mean the grip in the end is fantastic. Great jimping going on, absolutely cool swedge, and you have this closing action. I mean, guys, this is one of the quietest Shirogorov ever in the closing action. Not that loud in the opening, but the closing action is so gliding, smooth and quiet that it's my favorite feature on this one. You also have some deeply etched logos on both sides, just not like laser etched. That's like engraved into the blade, and it's absolutely well made. There's some very cool internal skeletonization going on. The flipper tab is nicely designed. You can do a push button, you can do a light switch. The detent is light on this one. You can easily fail this one, but if you just know how to do it, it's gonna be no problems for sure. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.